Hello my friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I hope you're going to have an awesome day today. I am here with a hashtag Thrifty Thursday. I'm Sheree. So just a short video today on a few Dollar Tree things. So I was at Dollar Tree looking around, of course. I went in for a non-crafty thing and came out with a few extra things, but it's all good. I controlled myself, I think, pretty good. So anyway, Thrifty Thursday is an open collab hosted by me where everyone can participate. You just post your video on a Thursday, any Thursday, doesn't have to be everyone. Use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday in your title. Subscribe to my channel and link my channel in the description box and make sure you tell people, how they can participate and, tell them to hop over to my channel and subscribe if you don't mind. And I will be appreciative of that. So let me show you what I got. Just a few things, like I said. So I looked at the paper bags. I haven't been letting myself buy paper bags because I have quite a few, but I saw these and I was inspired to get these by Kim at Creative Crafticality. She was making some paper bag journals and they were so adorable. I was like, oh my goodness, I have to try that because of course I've made paper bag, journals before, but I made them in a different way. So this is a different way than I have ever made them. So I picked up a few and I'll show you what I got. So, and I'll tell you why. I have a method to my madness here. So these right here, well, I saw these first. Well, I saw all of them, but first of all, I picked up these because I just love, I'm not going to take them out of the bag, but I'm going to show you in a way where it's not, you don't have all the glare there, but from the packaging. But I saw these, and I just love the different colors of polka dots, and it reminded me of the Dr. Seuss book, Put Me in the Zoo. So I thought, I don't know, I was just so attracted to these. I just had to get some. So I thought, whatever I use them for, of course I can use them in a journal. You can use a paper bag in a journal. So I don't feel like, I'm not going to use these just for covers. And these particular ones right here would probably be more inside. But anyway, I could do either or, cover or inside of a journal. And there's so many ways you can use a paper bag, really, in a, within your journals and make ephemera and things like that, pockets. So I got 4 of those with the different colored, polka dots. And then I was looking at the others they had available because they don't always have these paper bags. So I thought, well, let me look at them while they're here, and since I have this little inspiration from Kim, let me show you. First, I picked up these snowmen. I already took it out of the packaging, but I picked up this as a snowman banner that was at Dollar Tree, a little felt banner. I think they're really well made and just so cute. I mean, look at that. All made for you. And so I'll get, banners sometimes, no matter what they're made of, whether they're, cardstock type or this type, if I think I can use it in my journal in some way. So this one, of course, the snowman already, made up for me here. I'll just slip it off the strings. And I thought I took one off already. It's probably over somewhere else. But anyway, they just slip off the strings, or the ribbon. It's actually like a white ribbon. I'll save this ribbon and put it in with my scrap ribbons. And then to slip all of these off here. But let me show you what I was thinking. And I did this in the store too. I was like, will this look cute on here? And sure enough, it does look super cute as this red with white polka dots background for a journal cover. Trying to breathe here and talking too fast. But yeah, I just thought, even if I later on put another layer in here, even just like this, it looks super cute. This snowman on the red with white polka dots as a background. And then so I did the same thing with the blue. Now I got 2 red and 1 blue. And maybe they only had 1 blue. I don't know why. I didn't want to get too many either, but it even looks good on here too if I wanted to do a blue background. So I think it's really adorable. And so that's why I got those paper bags. And you can see the size of them. These are all the same size, So they're what? I'm sure you've seen them before, but in case you haven't, they're 9 inches tall. So like if you, when you use them, you can always trim them down. Either maybe you cut off the bottom or cut off the top or both, depending on what you're using it for. I've done both, you know, where I wanted it to come out inside of a journal, like sewn into a signature, and you have a pocket on both sides. And if it's too long, like say I cut off the bottom and it was still too long, then I can still cut it off one end or the other a little bit more and, you know, make it fit. So, you know, lots of uses for paper bags. I love, you know, when I see paper bags, I love them for journals. And the other thing I got was these books right here. I got 3 of these, and that's all they had. So this was just a little display box. You know how they had little display boxes sometimes, and they had just put it up on a shelf. And so I looked through all of them, and there were a few, you know, I didn't get one of each type. I picked up one of each type, and then I thought, well, I need to narrow this down. I can't get all of these, you know. So I got this one just because I thought it looked really kind of retro. Like this picture right here just doesn't look like modern. It looks a little kind of, oh, like an older little golden book or something to me. So I thought this would be a super cute journal cover. And I made you know, a few weeks ago or a month or so ago, I made a Halloween journal and a fall journal out of paperback books, which, you know, this is cardstock, so that's considered a paperback book, right? And I thought, oh, this would be so cute now that I, you know, started doing that. And so that's my intention for this cover. And then it also, I mean, look at the inside pictures here. Just so cute. They took up the whole page. There's not very many words here. So this would be so cute with these pages and a few, you know, eclectic pages in here, Christmas or whatever, to put in between and just make this into a super cute journal. I mean, don't you love how the pictures take up the whole page? I love it. So I thought I would do this one, and then I don't know, you know, I should actually do it right away so that if I like it, I mean, I'm going to like it. I know I'm going to like it. But I kind of wanted to do one, you know, and see how it goes. And then, you know, and if it sells and all that, you know, we have to think about, look at the post office. But, you know, and then maybe do another one. And of course I'd have to go back and see if they have any more books. But anyway, that was at Dollar Tree. So cute. So if you want any of this, you know how it is, especially with seasonal items. You got to get them while they have them, because you know, they might get one shipment in of that particular thing, and then it's seasonal, so they're not going to get any more. You know, it's not like they replenish it throughout the season. It's not that type. Like Walmart might replenish something, but Dollar Tree probably not. So anyway, in that same box, exact same box, it wasn't even a different box. These books are in there. And so they have this little window in the front. This one is a gingerbread man. And this is actually, let's see, I took one apart. Where is it? Oh, it got stuck back in there. Or maybe it's also somewhere else. Okay, anyway, let me undo another one. This is actually a package of stickers that is stuck behind the little gingerbread man window here. So you take this out and then you use them. They're like kind of like, they're not flat. They're kind of like puffy stickers, but they're not really puffy. They're just thick stickers. And you can see how cute these are. Lots of little cute ones on this one. So they had another couple. I know they had a snow globe and I think maybe a star. I don't remember what the other shapes were. But I had them all. I had picked up all of them. I was like, I'll get one of each. And then I was like, well, maybe I don't want one of each. And I shouldn't get one of each. Let me just pick out, you know, my favorite one. And this gingerbread man was my favorite one. I mean, so cute. So anyway, I can use this gingerbread window for something. I have the stickers. But then if you look through this book, let me show you, because if you haven't seen it, it is so cute. So it's called Sticker Activity Book. Look, it even has a little, well, no, that's just what's in here. Activities, stickers, And I'll just show you. Okay, so anyway, so you go through and you can use all of these pages and things in your journals, and they are, I believe, like 2-page spreads, so you can have a wide page for your journal if you need it, or you can cut them up, whatever you want to do. Or so like here's a maze, as you can see, or a crossword puzzle, not a maze. There's a maze in here somewhere. I think that's why I said that, because I've already looked through this in detail. But look at all the decorations and the colors here, little characters. We've got word search. Just want to make sure you can see here. Here's a little draw your own gingerbread man right here. And then you've got several coloring pages in here, like really super cute like this. Wouldn't these be cute in a journal? And then you've got a maze here. Spot the differences. Another coloring page. And I'll just flip through here real quick and let you see, because I just fell in love with these books. They're all cute. This one just happened to be my favorite. Which cup of cocoa has the most marshmallows? Dear Santa, and you check which one how good you've been trying to be. I've been extra super good, mostly super good, or just super good. So cute. Here's you write down your Christmas list here. So these would be great, like pages like this. Great journaling spots. Untangle the lights, a little kind of maze type thing there, I guess. Count the gumdrops, another a word search, another crossword puzzle, word scramble. And of course, you could unscramble the words and still have room for writing, journaling there. This too, you could journal on these little tic-tac-toe games. Count the cookies, a dot to dot, coloring. Count how many of each sweet you see and write the number in the boxes below. Tic-tac-toe again. So dot to dot, decorate the cookies. So you could journal inside of the cookies here. Wouldn't that be fun? You could journal on this page even, right on Santa, right on his little hat there. You could journal in this box, but this is drawing how to draw a cupcake, or learn to draw. Coloring, unscrambling words, and then here's the answer key in the back, and this is really cute. They're little cards that they peel off. I think they peel off of here. Let's see. Oh, are they stickers? Hold on. These are the. Wait, hold on. These are punch outs. Yeah, they punch out. Okay. There's little perforated lines here, and you punch these out. They're little cards. You fold them in half. So great little journaling spots on the back, the inside. Once you fold them in half, they're white on the back, but they are. How much did Santa pay for his sleigh? They're little jokes, and then the joke is on the back side. So super cute little journaling spots that you can write, right on the inside and put in your journals. Perfect. And then I thought these were super cute little door hangers that you could use as bookmarks in a journal. Wouldn't that be cute too? Maybe I'll have to experiment once I punch these out, but maybe to mark your page, you could put the little door hanger over the page if it doesn't wrinkle it or bend it or anything, if in a way that you don't want it to. You could or you could just put it in between pages and use that as a bookmark. I just thought that was so cute. And of course, it's white on the back, so you have journaling space. In the back, more stickers. And these are flat, like regular stickers. So you've got the kind of like puffy stickers in here and the flat stickers. And there's a lot here. I mean, if you order stickers from anywhere ever, even a Dollar Tree, there's how many stickers? They're usually bigger. But that's a lot of stickers for $1.25, plus you get the flat ones. You know what I mean? So that's a lot for this whole, thing. You can use every bit of it, really, for your journal. And the back cover is cardstock, so you can recycle that. So anyway, I just thought these were really super cute and useful and practical. So I got 3 of them. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed and were inspired by my goodies. And I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned for lots of goodness, and I'll see you later.